Hello, it's Sunday today, and I have recently found out that the makeup artist that was supposed to do my makeup for the Tilak function, that's the one day before the wedding, is not coming. Really professional. Really professional. Hi guys, it's Aravi's 11th month birthday today, and it's a little bit bittersweet. I mean, it's like so exciting. He's 11 months old. And it's also like, oh my god, he's 11 months old. It's his last monthly birthday. Like, I mean, I know we'll still kind of celebrate his monthly birthday, but like officially it's like his last monthly birthday, which is kind of upsetting because that means he's growing up. The exciting thing is 1 month to go. 1 month to go for the big first year birthday, which is so exciting. I'm also a little bit sad today because I've just released my video in which I tell you that I'll be taking a break for 2 weeks, which is like, I'm like just so sad thinking about it, thinking about I won't be like, obviously I'll be still chatting with you guys on social media, and I'll be back on the 12th or the 14th, whichever works better. I hope 12th because I cannot wait another day. I'm just, oh my god, I'm gonna miss you guys so much. As you can clearly see, it's winters and my little one is in full onesie, all closed up and in a very nice jacket. I'm in half sleeves and yes, I'm cold. The reason that I'm in half sleeves is because I haven't taken my winter clothes out of storage yet. My child, he has an entire new winter wardrobe. Me, I'm freezing my arms off. खोलो अरवीर, क्या है इसमें आपका गिफ्ट है? बर्थडे गिफ्ट, 11th month बर्थडे गिफ्ट. खोलो, देखो अंदर क्या है. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Aravi, happy birthday to you.
डांसी कर. ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढोल बाजे, ढोल.
हाँ, ढोल
बाजे, ढोल. अच्छा ये बुक करो, पीछे जाके काफी अच्छा रहता है.
इसमें रूम्स भी हैं.
ये सारे ऊपर रूम है, 25-30.
It's hubby's birthday today and I got him a bouquet of cake pops. नीचे है, मम्मी ने फोन किया.
नीचे है.
Oh my god. Winter's officially here. Hello guys, it's exactly a week before the wedding and there's so much work left. A lot of wedding preps are going, dance practices are happening. Yesterday we went to the venue. There was a wedding at the same venue, and if you have a wedding in the family, I think that's like the good thing to do, to go and visit the venue when there's a wedding there, because then you find out a lot of things that you didn't even realize were happening. Like, we felt the lighting was a little less, so we kind of need to increase lighting. We need to increase the decor outside, like on the outer door, because the wedding doesn't start from the pandal. Like, people start seeing your venue from the minute they find out where the location is. So if they know that's the venue, they expect the venue to be like all dressed up, even on the outer walls. So we felt that was missing. We checked out the washroom also. Please, if you have a wedding in the family, please check out the washrooms, because like nobody likes dirty washrooms. So if your wedding has dirty washrooms, your like a wedding quotient kind of goes down. So we did that. And what else did we do? We saw what kind of chairs they were using on the we also went like a couple of days before when there was no wedding in the daytime, again to kind of just get the feel and see what's wrong or not. So we saw the chairs that they keep on the stage, which we felt were a little low, and with the lehenga and everything, the bride cannot sit on a low sofa. So that. So if you're wedding in the family, I think it's one of the good points is to go and check out the venue a couple of times before the actual wedding, especially when there is a wedding happening. A lot of cards are still left to go and give out. My husband and my father-in-law will do that today. I have started my skin preparations. For the wedding, I have been cleaning up and doing whatever home skincare that I can. I will share that with you guys in a little while. So that is what is happening. Alright, so for skincare, what I've started doing is for regular, like every day, I've started using this scrub. It's from Inveda. It's called the Avocado Face Scrub. It's really nice. I ordered this from Big Basket, and I ordered like this and a makeup remover and a body wash. And look at how pretty the package is. It got delivered in this package. So pretty, so pretty. So we started using this scrub every day for my skin, just to exfoliate a little bit. I've also tried using, yeah, I think this is the face wash that I've been using, not regularly. I daily use scrub. I don't daily use face washes, which is weird, I know. This is the Pond's Pure White Deep Cleansing Facial Foam, which is brilliant. Like, even if you just use this, your skin starts to look so clear and firm. Like, this is actually really good. After this, one day what I did was I washed my face, I scrubbed it, and then I followed it with this, the Himalaya Herbal Purifying Neem Pack. This is really nice. Once you just apply it for 15 minutes and then you take it off. When I took it off and when I just went in front of my husband, he was like, your skin's looking so nice. I'm like, yeah. This is a really nice. So that I've done like just once right now, and I followed it with cream, which was this one, the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizing Hydrant Activator D whatever. This basically, it is a little expensive. It's 2200, but it is really good. This is the only cream, like this is the second bottle that I've finished, and I have to, it's actually really empty. I have to buy another one, so I'm already going to go and buy the third one. So if you're okay with spending a little bit more, see, with me it's like, because I don't have time to go to the parlor, or because I just, like, even I'm not the kind of person who would like continuously go to the parlor and get my facial done. I'm not. Even if I had time, I would not go. So what I do is I buy products that really work for my skin, so that my skin kind of on its own remains good enough that I don't have to go to the parlor. So that I have also once used this one, that's the Ma Earth Botanical Rose Facial Scrub. This is also really good and it smells amazing. Okay, I used this once, and yeah, that's pretty much it. For my lips and all, I have started using Vaseline, pure simple Vaseline, because sometimes normal simple stuff is way better than all your expensive junk. So yeah, that's the skincare that I have been doing. And if you don't have, like, if you hardly have enough time to do anything, if you don't have time to go to the parlor, or if you immediately have like something that you have to attend, I would recommend this neem pack. It's really nice. Also, during my wedding, I used this pack a lot. Originally, I didn't even know this was a fairness facial pack. I just thought something from Garnier and I picked it up because I don't like fairness products, that they sound really stupid. What this does is, you can use it as a face wash, you can use it as a scrub, or you can use it as a mask. And I feel this is really good. It helps remove tan. So I think the fairness part kind of comes in because it removes your tan. So this I used extensively during my own wedding. So this was like my everyday face wash, my weekly scrub, and my weekly face pack. So that. I am currently making lists of all the menus that should be for time when we don't have an event. So like we have dinners here, but then we need to serve the guest breakfast and lunch. So that is what is happening. This is where I got married. Look at this. This is how onions grow. Ariveer feeling grass for the first time. अरे भी घास घास है ये ग्रास हाँ
कांटे वाले पौधे तो नहीं है ये वाले?
नहीं ठीक है सॉफ्ट है
ये वाले कांटे हैं।
चल रही हूँ ना साथ
गोल
में
वाले जो।
अच्छा तो फिर ध्यान से
ये सब कांटे हैं।
तो फिर ध्यान से Arvi, do you like it? It's grass. Grass.
हाथ ही नहीं छोड़ना था।
नई जगह है ना।
आजा। कुछ तो है।
ध्यान से गोल गोल घूमता है ये बंदर We have puja in the house today and this is what I'm wearing. It's a very beautiful sari. Got like absolutely minimum makeup on it. So got like kajal on it. I'll probably put like a very light lipstick or something. Probably only a lip balm. It's just a homely thing with like family. That's it. So yeah. Ignore the dirty room. We don't have time. Also, do you notice anything different? Except for the fact that I finally got my threading done and my eyebrows look good enough. What? Do you notice anything that's different? I asked my husband the same question. He's like, have you gotten your eyelashes shortened? Why would anybody cut off their eyelashes? Is like. Anyways, do you guys notice anything different? Because nobody else could figure it out. So yeah. Comment down below if you find anything different in me today.
स्वाहा ओम मातृदेवताभ्यो नमः स्वाहा गुरुना प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा
We are currently at the wedding venue. We've just come over here to check a few things out and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Everything is right in front of me. I'll just show you a little sneak peek. Obviously it's not ready right now because the wedding isn't today and they don't have any function today. But we did attend like a wedding here a couple of days ago and it looked so beautiful. And we just found like a couple of points that we weren't happy with, like there wasn't a female attendant at the washroom and the lighting we felt was a little dim, but the decor was beautiful. We're getting so excited. We had puja in the morning today, so the wedding functions have started. Day after will be mehendi and we're also shifting out to where all our functions are, so it'll be like a destination wedding. I mean, things are getting really exciting right now. But I'm going to end this video right here because the wedding preparation is basically done. The wedding is here. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more of this wedding, of this event that's happening in my life right now, then please do click that subscribe button and I will see you guys soon.